Whoop-woo. Cracktown Pier. Oh, Sally's had a little upgrade. Didn't call it that. Look, my little JST was too short. I was going to try and get that back out, but I couldn't be arsed, to be honest. I thought I'd wreck it. So, just a little connector thingamabob. My mate car did. Although I could have done it thyself, actually, because I sold him my first battery. Changed the JST to XT30 the other day, so I'm dead chuffed with that. Morning mate, you alright? And then I let Kai, look, here you go, yeah, not bad, not bad. And I let Kai stick it in his 3-inch quad, and what the hell? It was like that big, and this end stayed that small. It was massive. Like Cortina, whatever it's called. Could play the tune on it. But we didn't. So yeah, now I'll guess I'll learn how to desolder. Frickin'. Always look on the bright side, eh? Luckily, we did others. So all my little batteries gone XT30 now. For JSTs, get rid of them JSTs and go XT30. Nice. Saying now, I haven't tried them yet. Don't even know if they work. Well, there's only one way to find out, I guess. It's quite chilly. There we go. What the hell was that? No need jesting. So far so good. It made the normal bleepy blues. Current buns just come out, look, beautiful. No sunglasses. Such a rookie. There's a little bit of wind. Shut up, seagulls. Get away from that current bun. Weather's been shocking lately. They haven't really had a lot of chance to fly. A little bit here and there, you know. Never say never. It's not as much as we usually can. Quads or planes. Oh, new connector works. Whoop, whoop. Brian B, you know you need to get one of these, buddy. Perfect. Fly so slow as well. You ain't got to fly it quick. Do it, Brian. Do it now. It's probably about 7-8 mile an hour wind at the moment. Yeah, not arsed, look. Little twitch here and there at slow speed. I think you can get that with most planes. Unless they weigh a ton. And that's not what these babies are about. Light and easy and fun and fly anywhere. The only thing you're going to hurt is your plane. No one's going to get hurt with these babies. Looks like rain over there. Where's Sally? What you doing? Get over here on the rocks. Bizitch. Whoa. Yeah, come here, Sally. I was on the stones just in case. Yeah, sand in your motor's never a good thing. Happy days.